Model, 2015 Vauxhall Vivaro 2701, 6C DT15EPX-2015 S Eco L1H1 runs and drives. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 138245. MOT, the 2nd of June 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PS BITURBO S SE5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £3,575. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.